Yes. Okay. The fractional techniques are developed because we know now that we must live a healthy tissue or healthy microbiome. The complication starts when you ablate the skin without leaving any microbiome. Then microbiome regulates the cellular recovery. So the fractional techniques are used now with the lasers, they are used with the RF, and they are used with the plasma devices. This is very common now. Compare these technologies that they are all fractional. The technologies, let's start with the laser. The laser operates the tissue. That means you need a specific post-operation treatments, and because of the evaporation of the tissue, you have to avoid the sun, depending on the phototype. When you do fractional RF, you have a mechanical trauma, and you have the delivery of electrons inside the tissue, but the results compared to the fractional plasma treatment is less because you have a limit. If you exceed the limit and if you go deeper, the risk of hypermutation is very high. And also, the complications depends on the density of the needles, how many needles the fractional RF has. If you have too much density in the needles, then the risk of complication is very high. With the fractional plasma, you deliver very precisely with 100% control micro sparks that do not leave visible trauma on the skin compared to the laser, because the laser evaporates and you have a visible trauma. When you do the treatment with the fractional RF, you have also visible trauma. If you would like to have results and be aggressive. With the fractional plasma, you don't see any visible effect on the skin. But because it's working with the superficial neurons, and you know the neurons is our electrical system. The neurons give energy to the cell. You don't damage, but at the same time, you need energy to the cell. Only with plasma, with fractional plasma, you can do.